Hello everyone, this is John Sasnick. I'm a business relationship manager with Lexington Capital Holdings, and thank you for joining us today. You may own a business, and whether the business is growing, whether the business is struggling, or in the right spot, you're just one step away from getting to a bigger point in the business. One question keeps coming back: which financing option is right for my business? Because funding isn't just about getting money. It's about getting the right money at the right time in the right structure in order to help your business grow as much as possible. Choose poorly and you can end up in a lot of fees, wasted time, and opportunities for the business. Used properly, capital accelerates growth and puts the business in the best possible opportunity to continue scaling. Most business owners only look at the surface. The lowest interest rate, the highest dollar amount, the quickest approval, but that's only half the story. The real question isn't how cheap is my money? The question is, how well does it fit my business model? A short-term loan for a long-term project can suffocate your cash flow. A rigid bank loan can break your flexibility. That's why understanding your options and matching them to your goals is key in success for your business. A lot of clients ask me, who is Lexington Capital Holdings? And we provide a financial marketplace very flexible and different from traditional banks. When working with Lexington, you're working with a business financing partner who's going to be there to identify your needs, find the best fits, as well as make the process as streamlined as possible for you in the business. We work with a network of lenders and private funding sources, not just one institution. This means more options, faster approvals, and flexibility where they're not just looking at your credit score and revenue. They look at your business story, the potential in the business, cash flow, and how we can continue to grow together. What sets us apart is a tailored approach to the financing and trying to identify a solution that's going to best fit each business owner's needs and specific situation. With Lexington, you don't have to guess which loan is right for your business. There are a few different loan options that might be best suited for your business. And I'm here to break down a few of these options and where they'd be best suited. First example of a loan option would be a term loan for the business. This is something where you borrow a lump sum, pay it back over a period of time, and utilize for a specific instance in the business where there's one major goal you have in mind for the capital. Something like expanding your business, purchasing property, or investing into long-term growth for the business. Term loans work best for businesses that have a stable cash flow, companies planning large one-time investments. Advantages of a term loan are predictable payments, fixed rates. Major advantages of term loans are predictable payments, easy to budget, as well as fixed rates on these loan options. The challenges of a term loan is limited in the flexibility. The payment is going to stay exactly the same regardless of the production in the business. It's not ideal for any businesses that have fluctuating income where one month it might be much larger in terms of sales than the other. Term loan is more like a bridge, solid and dependable. But if it's not built for your terrain, it can limit where you'll be able to go. Lines of credit are another great option for business owners and one of Lexington's most sought after products. And for good reason. It's simple, flexible, built around how real businesses work. And let's say you have the ability to have $100,000 for the business, you only make payments on the capital that you utilize. Think of it like having a financial safety net, where regardless of the opportunity or challenges the business runs into, you have that capital in the back pocket to be able to draw and utilize whenever you see fit and only pay on the amount that you use. Lines of credit work best for businesses with seasonal cash flow, companies that need quick access to working capital, and they come with a few advantages. The biggest advantage would be flexibility and how, regardless of the situation, what the use is, you can put the line of credit to use for your business. Only pay interest on the capital that you utilize and fast access to funds without constant reapplications. There are a few challenges in utilizing something like a line of credit. The biggest thing is managing risk and understanding what your investments are and not getting yourself too deep into debt when utilizing the lines of credit. One of the major challenges in utilizing a line of credit is that it requires financial discipline. Mismanagement can lead to a large amount of stress on the cash flow for the business. When it comes to lines of credit, rates may vary depending on your business profile and the lender. A line of credit is like keeping extra fuel in your truck. You might not always need it, but when the road gets steep, it keeps you moving. Another great product that business owners can take advantage of is equipment financing. And this is another sought after product where a lot of clients looking to gather larger pieces of equipment, even a lot of smaller pieces, and be able to finance that under the business. Equipment financing helps your business acquire the necessary equipment to continue growing and bring business to the next level. How it works: the equipment you buy often serves as its own collateral. This means lower risk, faster approvals, and better rates all around for the business. Equipment financing is best for construction, manufacturing, medical, even transportation businesses. Any business where equipment drives in more revenue. Major advantage of equipment financing is that it protects your working capital. Also allows you to have these new assets generating money for the business while not costing you an arm and a leg. And it can also build ownership of that piece of equipment over time. Some challenges when utilizing equipment financing is that they're geared towards a specific piece of equipment and there is no flexibility in what you can finance. The equipment's resale value will affect the terms and rates of the deal. In other words, it isn't just buying a machine, it's purchasing an employee that's gonna work around the clock for you 24/7. Businesses also have the ability to get access to working capital financing for the company. Working capital is the oxygen of your business. And sometimes you just need more of it. And these options are best suited for short-term needs such as payroll, managing cash flow, new hires, or any opportunities that can arise for the business where you can get access to quick capital to take advantage of these opportunities. It's fast, flexible, and designed to keep your business running smoothly. These are best for businesses that are having issues with short-term cash flow gaps, fast-growing companies responding to sudden demand, and some advantages are quick approvals, often within 24 hours, keeps daily operations uninterrupted, and can be used for nearly any expense. Some of the challenges with working capital is that they can be a higher rate than other loan options, and should be used strategically, not habitually. Working capital is the financial breath your business needs when timing is everything. When looking into financing, it's about identifying the best fit for your business and its specific needs. Now that you know the options, how do you decide which one best fits for your business? That's where Lexington truly stands out. We don't believe in a one-size-fits-all financing and offer multiple forms of capital to find the best fit for your business and your needs. Whether that's looking at your revenue patterns, growth strategies, where business is today, how we can continue to grow and scale. It's all about finding what's going to benefit the business the most and see how we can get that product available for you and your company. Some clients need flexibility, some need access to immediate capital, and some need equipment that's going to continue to help them grow and scale. Finding and identifying these problems or opportunities for businesses is what Lexington Capital specializes in. The goal isn't just to fund your business, it's to fund your business the right way. Here at Lexington, our process is fast, transparent, and personable. It starts with something as simple as a consultation with one of our team members. When you talk, our team will listen and identify your business's goals and challenges. The next step is to analyze your business. We will evaluate cash flow, business model, and financing readiness. And the next step from there is to match you up with the perfect fit for your opportunity. We will dive into our network of lenders and find the best possible terms for your specific needs. And after that, the next step would be approval. In many cases, funding can be approved within 24 hours. And finally, we're here to support you throughout the entire process. After funding, we will continue to guide you in optimizing the capital and getting the maximum return on your investment for the business. This is more than just a transaction. It's a relationship built on trust, speed, and understanding. The right partner matters. Choosing the right financing option can be the difference from survival and success, and you shouldn't have to make that decision alone. Lexington Capital exists to make that choice simple, strategic, and streamlined. We help you understand the options and make a decision that fuels your success and not your fears. Because business growth isn't about taking on business debt. It's about building momentum responsibly. So if you ask yourself, what is the best financing option for me? The best answer starts with one conversation. Visit LexingtonCapitalHoldings.com and connect with a dedicated specialist today so we can help discover how the right financing will take your business further. Lexington Capital Holdings. Exceed your limits.